Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Master FIFA 14 Easy Method. Open File Master, grant storage permission, locate the FIFA 14 directory, back up your save files, and import or replace mods while preserving file names and folder structure to avoid errors. If you see mismatched versions, use the built-in backup restore, clear cache, and restart the game after changes. Test in offline mode, first to prevent cloud sync conflicts. Start by organizing your working folder with clear names and dates so you can track changes easily. When replacing squads, kits, or saves, copy originals to a backup folder and then add the new files. Verify file sizes and timestamps to confirm the transfer succeeded. If the game refuses to load a file, restore the backup, clear the app cache, and reapply the change step by step to isolate the issue. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a comfy companion for breaks between mod installs and long manager seasons. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When problems appear, stay calm and methodical so you don't lose progress. Revert to your backup immediately and then reintroduce mods one at a time to find the culprit. Confirm permissions so both File Master and the game can access files, and clear temporary caches if needed. A quick device restart often resolves lingering access issues. Keep a simple changelog to track what you altered and when for faster fixes later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.